What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. So it's been a little bit over 3 months since I dropped my iPhone 11 Pro Max review, and I just want to give you my 3-month update. So what I'm gonna talk about is what I like, what I don't like, what's new, and overall, how's this phone been treating me for the over.
I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint. Ever since they heard about the name, they know who gon' pull up with.
First thing what's new is we got 3 lenses. You know, we got a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto. That being said, the iPhone 11 Pro Max has been a great phone creating content, you know, with 3 lenses. When I seen the keynote and Apple was bringing out this phone and I seen the new color of midnight green, I was like, oh yeah, I need the new iPhone. Because I know before the Apple haven't even announced the phone, the renders, the specs, and everything else, and people were like, oh no, that phone's ugly, it's trash. But not me. I was like, yeah, I need it off top. As soon as it came out, I was like, yes, I need it. Because I was coming from an iPhone 8 Plus, product red. I never had the iPhone X or XX Max or the iPhone XR. So I saved and waited. But once I upgraded now, man, I've been loving the phone ever since. Been working out great. This video is not sponsored at all. Let's talk about those 3 lenses, like I was saying. The 3 lenses, 3 camera lenses. That's great. You know, you get your nice wide angle, ultra wide telephoto if you want to be zoomed in, you know? But I don't want to be too close to y'all. Y'all probably look like I do all up in the camera. But you know, those 3 cameras been great. You know, it takes some great video. They do. You can record stereo audio, but me, I choose not to record stereo audio because sometimes they're like, I don't know. I got tested out again. It's been like picking up other stuff. And right now I have it turned off, so that's how the audio is sounding right now. Let me know how the audio is sounding in this video. The front-facing camera has even been great. First time I ever thought you could shoot 4K 60 FPS on a front-facing camera. So woo! So sometimes, as you see in this video right now, it's being shot on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and being able to shoot 4K 60 FPS with the front-facing camera, or 30 FPS, or 24 with the front-facing camera is really good for an iPhone. But if you do plan to, if you do have this phone, you do plan to shoot with your iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro, and you want to use your front-facing camera, make sure you look at the lens. Don't look at the screen. Look at the lens. If you look at the screen, then people think you're not looking at them. So, give everybody that eye contact. Look at this lenses, and you should be good to go. That being said, I didn't get this phone just because of the lens. I got the phone because I wanted a new phone. I wanted to upgrade. I thought it was that time. Even though I love the camera quality, the battery, man, the battery has been amazing. Talking about I haven't charged this phone in like 2 days. Oh, that's a long time. When I had the 8 Plus, I had to charge every night. I use it, bam, put it on charger. Use it, put it out again. But for this phone, I've been pushing it hard, and I haven't charged this phone in over 2 days before I actually put it on the charger and give me a full charge. So that's very improvement. I like that Apple did improve the battery, give us bigger battery life. Yeah, it makes the phone a little bit heavy, but hey, that's fine to me. I ain't tripping. I still be working using this phone. It don't feel that heavy. Making great content with the front camera or the back facing camera. The front camera I haven't tried no slofies. Yeah, remind me never say that again. We probably ain't gonna never try one of those either. So don't ask me to try none of those. That being said, the audio on this iPhone 11 Pro Max it's very good. You got the stereo audio, listen to content, the Super Retina HDR display. The display is great. If you don't know that you can on YouTube, you can watch HDR quality content on the iPhone 11 Pro. I don't know about the iPhone 11, but I know on the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max, you can watch HDR content. If you didn't know that already, if you haven't, just do your own research. Search a YouTube video that's in HDR and watch it from the iPhone 11 Pro. You can see the difference. Very, very, very nice quality, pictures and everything stands out. Very, just put that way, very good. I use my phone to create YouTube videos that you're seeing right now, browsing the internet, watching YouTube videos on there, pushing this phone to its limits, learning new features, improving, doing what the phone, capable to do. Do I give it the pro name? Yeah, I give it the pro name because everything that I own now has a pro name. Got the MacBook Pro, got the iPad Pro, got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, So everything's giving me that pro name. So I'm good with that. When I seen the midnight green, when Apple had announced midnight green, I was like, yes, let's go with that. I need something different because I normally always go with space gray. I always been space gray, or the iPhone 8 Plus. I went with product red on that one just because I like that the money was being donated to their trust fund that they work with. I don't know. But other than that being said, this iPhone 11 Pro Max has been good. Love this phone. Batteries, man, great. If you own this phone, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know how your experience has been. Just say, do you love it? Great. What do you think about the 3 camera system? Me, I love the 3 camera system. that's a big upgrade, especially now since I put these new lenses on there. So, you know, let me know how the quality looks on that. You know, you can protect your camera lens if you haven't noticed. You can do that already, but you can't protect the camera lens. Put some covers over them. Me, I went with invisible shield. This video is not sponsored. You know, it makes it look way better than what it is right now. So you can, just in case you ever have that mess up, you drop your phone and you crack your lenses. Trust me, this phone is very expensive. You crack something and you don't have Apple Care, yeah, you're looking to play some pretty big price of money. Me, I got the Apple Care, even got the insurance. I'm up there, got both insurances. I want to be protected. Me, this phone was expensive, like $1,400. I'm not trying to break nothing, but I ain't gonna lie, I got screen protectors on my whole phone. If you don't have a screen protector on your phone, I'm letting you know right now, phone gets bright. You turn the brightness up on this mug gets super bright. With that being said, I do like this phone, iPhone 11 Pro Max, 3-month review. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Other than that, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV, and I'm signing out. Peace.